Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
In the past 1 decade, I've completed a full circle. Started as a student at a very ordinary engineering college, became an IT professional, got married, was a homemaker for quite some time, and then a stay-at-home mother. And the circle completes by being a student at an extraordinary institute like Acceleri. Hi, I'm Anushri Rai. I'm from Acceleri Jamshedpur. I'm pursuing my master's in HRM. So once my child started going to preschool, there I went into a phase of introspection. Like, what is it that I want to do? Coming from a family where everybody is working, my grandmother was into politics, my mother is a doctor. So I've always seen people working, and there's a sense of satisfaction with that kind of a profession. Since I was staying at home, I felt that was lacking in my life. So the question that the world has changed a lot around me. People have different expectations, even the careers have changed, have become much more dynamic nowadays. So I was very worried whether I could or could not do that, cope up with that. Externally, there were a lot of questions, why do you need to study at this age? How will you manage? You've got a child. But still, I think I had that conviction and I went for it. Since the kid was very small, he was 18 months old, he was sick a lot of time. So I was missing up onto the classes and it was really difficult to cope up with it. After a lot of discussion with my husband and in-laws, I took a very big step I went back to my parents' place with my child. My mother used to take major responsibility of my child. I used to do the fun stuff with him. So my study breaks used to be with him. Interviews became a huge hurdle. Every time I went to an interview, so they already had some preconceived notions that maybe she won't be able to do a 2-year residential course. Why don't you take up a fellowship program? Those were the kind of questions, even though I did not face that personally at my home. But those were the mindset, how the society thinks, I think rather than guilt, it was a question for me before coming. So I was like, I can't go leaving my child. So my father said one thing, that had I ever had a chance like you have, I would never give it up. End goal is to be able to give your child a better life. One of the things that is really close to me is to have a work-life balance. In the smaller industries, it's easier to hire a man who can do that much work than a woman who will go back, has other responsibilities, probably she might not be able to manage, or they become very rigid while offering you a job. So eventually, I would like to be a part of that thought leadership, where you can change that at the lower levels as well,